Hello guys and welcome to Yummy Maths. This tutorial is on quadratic equations. Guys, let's go through some more problems on quadratic equation. So this one is 1 year ago Will Smith was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to square of his son's age. Find their present age. Okay, so let's say X, his son's age be X 1 year ago, right? So Will Smith age 1 year ago was 8x, right? And present age of his son would be x plus 1. So Will Smith present age would be 8x plus 1. So this is clear. Now let's put these things in the equation, right? Okay, so it says that age, now his age is equal to the square of his son's age, which means 8x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 whole square. So this is the quadratic equation. Once we solve this, we'll get x square minus 6x equals to 0, which would give us x minus 6 equals to 0. X can't be 0, right? So we'll not consider this. Therefore x is equals to 6, right? Which means present age of his son is x plus 1, which means 7 years, and present age of Will Smith would be 8x plus 1, which is equals to 49 years. Okay, let's see the next problem. 7 years ago, MS Dhoni's age was 5 times the square of his dog's age. 3 years hence, dog's age will be 2/5 of Dhoni's age. Find their present ages. Okay, so let's say 7 years ago, and let's write present scenario here, right? So let's say dog's age 7 years ago was x. So Dhoni's age was 5x square, right? And present age of dog would be x plus 7. So Dhoni's present age would be 5x square plus 7. And after 3 years, dog's age would be x plus 7 plus 3, which is nothing but x plus 10. And after 3 years, Dhoni's age would be 5x square plus 7 plus 3, which is nothing but 5x square plus 10, right? Now let's put everything into the equation. It is given that 3 years hence dog's age will be 2/5 of MS Dhoni's age, which means x plus 10 would be 2/5. So this value is x plus 10 would be 2/5 of this value. solving this, we'll get 2x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0, which gives us 2x plus 3 and x minus 2. Right. This will ignore, which means x is equals to 2. Right. Therefore, this dog's present age is 2 plus 7, which is 9 years, and MS Dhoni's present age would be 5 into 2 square plus 7, which is nothing but 27 years. Well, let's read the next problem. The hypotenuse of Virat Kohli's swimming pool, which is in right triangle shape, is 3 into under root 5 meters. So this is swimming pool of Virat Kohli. If the smaller side is tripled and larger side is doubled, you will get dimensions of MS Dhoni's swimming pool with hypotenuse equals to 15 meter. Find the length of each side of Virat's pool. So this is the pool of Virat and this is the pool of Dhoni. So let's say this is x and this is y. So we have x square plus y square equals to 3 into root 5 whole square. This is 3 to under root 5, right? And it says if the smaller side is tripled, so this is 3x, and the larger side is doubled, and 2y. We get the dimensions of MS Dhoni's house with the pool with the hypotenuse equals to 15. So this is 15. So which means 3x whole square plus 2y whole square equals to 15 square. Now let's put these equations. X square plus y square equals to, which is nothing but x square plus y square equals to 45. Let's say this is equation 1. 3x whole square. So this is from Pythagoras theorem. 15 square, therefore 9x square plus 4y square equals to 225. Let's say. Okay, now from equation 1, get y square, put value of y square in equation 2. So from here we'll get y square equals to 45 minus x square, and put this value here. So we'll get a quadratic which would look like this: 5x square plus 180 plus 225, which is nothing but x square equals to 9, which means x equals to plus or minus 3, right? But the length of the side cannot be negative, therefore x is just plus 3. Now putting x equals to 3 in first, we'll get y equals to 6. Therefore, dimensions of this pool is, this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 meter and this is 6 meter. Okay, next problem is, in Farmville, farmer wishes to grow 1000 meter square rectangular vegetable garden. Since he has with only 30 meter barbed wire, he fences only 3 sides of the rectangular garden, letting the 4th side open. Find the dimensions of his garden. Okay, so say this is the garden, and he fences only 3 sides, and the sum of 3 sides is 30 meter. This plus this plus this, right? So let the length of one side be x meter and other be y. So let's say this is x, since this is rectangular, this is again x, and this is y. So x plus y plus x equals to 30, which is nothing but y is equals to 30 minus 2x, right? And the area of the garden is 100 meters square. Therefore x into y equals to 100, right? Which is nothing but, put this value of y in this, we'll get a quadratic equation something like this: x square minus 5x plus 50. So solving this, will get x minus 10 and x minus 5. So x can be 5 or 10. When x is 5, y is equals to 30 minus 2 into 5, which is 20. When x is 10, y is equals to 30 minus 2 into 10. So the dimension of vegetable garden would be 25 into 20 meter, or sorry, next problem is, every face of a pyramid forms an isosceles triangle. The area of isosceles triangle is 60 meters square, and the length of each of its equal side is 13 meter. Find its base. Okay, so it's saying that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Let's say this is A, B and C, right? Now if you draw a perpendicular, which is meeting this line at D, right? So this D divides BC in two equal parts, right? Let's say this is X, right? So the entire thing becomes 2x, right? And this is a right angle triangle, right? So in triangle ABD, let's apply Pythagoras theorem, and this is giving that, it is given that this is 13, which means 13 square equals to AD square plus x square. Let me write this on next page, which is nothing but, so AD is equals to under root of 13 square minus x square equals to 169 minus x square, right? So it says that area is 60 meters square, right? So let's use this condition. Half BC into AD equals to 60, which is nothing but half 2x into 169 minus x square equals to 60. Now solving this, we'll get x square 169 minus x square equals to 3600. This means x square minus 144 x square minus 25, yeah, so 0. So x square is 144 or x square is 25, which means x can be 12 or x can be 5. Therefore base would be 2x, which is either 24 or 10. Next problem is Vishwanathan Anand's chessboard has a border around the board of 2 cm and the area of each smaller square is 6.25 cm square. Find the length of the side of chessboard. Okay, so it says that let me draw this. Let's say this is his chessboard, right? And this is 2 cm. This is 2 cm. This is 2 cm. This is 2 cm. And here you have 64 squares, and the area of each square is this 6.25 centimeter square. Okay. Let's say this is x, so this is x minus 4, so you subtract this 2 and this 2, so this becomes x minus 4, right? Therefore let's put this into equation. Area of 64 squares would be what? X minus 4 square, and it is given that area of each small square is 6.25, right? So going back, so area of this into 64 gives the area of this, right? Therefore we equate this value to that, x minus 4 whole square equals to 64 into 6.25, which gives you quadratic x square minus 8x minus 384. Solving this, we'll get x minus 24 and x plus 16 equals to 0. So let's not consider this. Therefore x equals to 24 centimeter. Guys, if you like Yummy Math, please go to facebook.com and write a review for us. Our page address is facebook.com/YummyMath. And if you have any doubt or question, please post it in a comment section, which is at the end of this page. Thank you. Bye.